Hello, my name is Jason, and welcome to another English video lesson brought to you by MainStreetEnglish.com. Learning to effectively use verbs is a vital part when learning the English language. Irregular verbs add an extra challenge for many English learners. Unlike regular verb forms, learning irregular verbs is completely different, as they do not observe a definite pattern or rule. Regular verbs form their past tense by adding d or ed at the end of their base form. But irregular verbs may remain unchanged or may have totally different forms. If irregular verbs are causing you to worry, don't. In this video, I'm going to cover the various categories of irregular verbs and how to form them. Are you ready? Let's go. A good way to master learning irregular verbs is to simplify them according to their type. While irregular verbs are numerous, we can identify 4 different types and see their common characteristics. Number 1, the changeless type. Irregular verbs under this type remain unchanged. They follow the same base form, past simple, and past participle forms. Learning irregular verbs of this group is a piece of cake. Among those verbs include cut, cost, set, put, and quit. For example, since it's late, let's put the children to bed. This is put in its base form. She put the books on the shelf yesterday. This is put in the simple past. We have put no decorations on our Christmas tree yet. This is put in the past participle form. Number 2, the identical past. While some remain unchanged in all forms, there are also certain irregular verbs that only have the same past forms. Both the simple past and past participle are the same. Only their base form differs. Here are some identical past irregular verbs. Had. The base form, had. Simple past, have. Past participle, have. Buy. The base form, buy. The simple past, bought. The past participle, bought. Feel. The base form, feel. The simple past, felt. The past participle, felt. Tell. The base form, tell. The simple past, told. The past participle, told. Make. The base form, make. The simple past, made. The past participle, made. And here are some example sentences using the irregular verb tell to demonstrate identical past irregular verbs. Can you tell me the answer, please? Base form. I told him about the party last week. Simple past. Nobody had told her about the test until she was already in the classroom. Past participle. Now, the unique simple past. Unlike the previous type, irregular verbs under this group have a completely different simple past form from their base and past participle forms. There are only a few in this list, which makes learning these irregular verbs a bit lighter for you. Become. The base form is become. Simple past, became. Past participle, become. Come. Base form, come. Simple past, came. Past participle, come. Run. Base form, run. Simple past, ran. Past participle, run. And here are some example sentences using the irregular verb come to demonstrate unique simple past irregular verbs. What time did she come home? Base form. He came to the meeting 10 minutes early. Simple past. At last, their moment had come. Past participle. Our last irregular verb group, the different mix. In contrast to the other types, irregular verbs categorized under this type have a totally different base form, simple past, and past participle. Because each of these forms differ from one another, you'll have more words to memorize. Let's make it a bit easier and focus on the top 10 common irregular verbs under this type. Do. Base form do. Simple past did. Past participle done. Drink. Base form drink. Simple past drank. Past participle drunk. Eat. Base form eat. Simple past ate. Past participle eaten. Give. Base form give. Simple past gave. Past participle given. Go. Base form go. Simple past went. Past participle gone. Know. Base form know. Simple past knew. Past participle known. See. Base form see. Simple past saw. Past participle seen. Sing. Base form sing. Simple past sang. Past participle sung. Swim. Base form swim. Simple past swam. Past participle swum. Take. Base form take. Simple past took. Past participle taken. And here are some example sentences using the irregular verb know to demonstrate different mix irregular verbs. I know you must be tired, so please rest. Base form. He knew about the exam results last week. Simple past. He had known about his surprise party for weeks. Past participle. Now, here are the key points you need to know to master irregular verbs. First, familiarization is the key. Familiarize yourself with different and commonly used irregular verbs under each type. Second, practice using them in your daily English conversations and writings. Write down a set of words to practice regularly. Finally, read short stories or watch video clips that you find interesting. Then list down irregular verbs used in the chosen media source and practice using them as well. Keep doing this and you will master irregular verbs. Thank you for watching this English video lesson brought to you by MainStreetEnglish.com. If you enjoyed this video or received some value from it, please leave a comment and please remember to like and subscribe. Thank you and see you again.